Hey guys, this is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson right here in San Marcos, California. Today I'm showing you a 2020 KTM Duke 790. This is bad to the bone. As you can see, if you're whipping around the city, you are going to have plenty of comfort and performance. She's ready to go when you are. Let me show you what she sounds like when she's on. The bike has 641 miles on it. Plenty more to go. ABS, traction control, and a lot of other options. Come in, take a first spin. We're open 6 days a week. Give her the full view. Give her the full view. Look at that headlight.
It's super cool.
And we'll see you when you get here.